3, 1, 2, 3. Checked. Oil pressure is good. Oil temperature is cold, warming up. No pressure, mags are off. Good oil pressure and primers and unlocked. Tie-downs and shocks are removed. Pre-taxi check. Hobbs. Record. Alright, how's it recorded? On, heat vent. Heat is on, vent is off. Radio is set, intercom is set, GPS is set, degas is set. Controls and tram. Controls. Left aileron going up, right aileron up, elevator up and down, and rudder. Controls and trim to takeoff. That is set, doors are closed. ATIS 12665.
Departure 6310 Victor.
Approach in use, land departing runway 32, notice is airman, construction crane 200 feet AGL, 2 nautical miles north-northwest Republic, flagged and lighted. Construction crane 150 feet AGL, 1 nautical mile northeast Republic, flagged. Tower light out of service, 0.9 nautical mile south-southwest Republic, 168 MSL, 110 AGL. IFR departures, advise ground control for taxi that you are IFR. Read back all runway hold short instructions, read back all runway assignments. Go altitude assignment. Advise Republic to initial contact. Be of information. Romeo. Republic Airport information. Romeo. Time 1353 Zulu. Wind 290 at 7. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 6. Dew point -3. Altimeter 30. Visual approach in use. Land departing runway 32. Notice is airman. Construction crane 200 feet AGL. 2 nautical miles north-northwest Republic, flagged and lighted. Construction crane 150 feet AGL. 1 nautical mile northeast Republic, flagged. Tower light out of service. 0.9 nautical mile south-southwest Republic, 168 MSL, 110 AGL. IFR departures, advise ground control for taxi that you are IFR. Read back all runway hold short instructions. Read back all runway assignments. Read back all altitude assignments. Advise Republic to initial contact. Be of information. Romeo. Republic Airport information. Romeo. Time 1353 Zulu. Wind 290 at 7. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 6. Dew point -3.
Okay, we got the ATIS.
Visual approach in use. Land departing.
Altimeter is set, radios are set, brakes tested, turn and slip and kilometer tested, compass test.
Republic, flagged and lighted. Construction crane 150 feet AG.
Ground is up. Power is up. And we're ready to taxi.
Leave on the ground, 10656 off at Alpha 4, taxi back to Echo.
10656 to Polk ground, taxi Echo via Alpha, cross runway 19.
Taxi Echo via Alpha, cross 19, 656.
Luscombe 77927, report ground. I'm sorry, say again, request on departure? Roger, you're requesting full stop taxi backs, or are you going to do touching base? Thank you, Luscombe 927, full stop, taxi backs on request, runway 32, taxi by Alpha, cross runway 19.
Good morning, Republic Ground. Warrior 152 Delta Charlie at Nassau Flyers with Romeo. Request taxi for the island touch and goes. Student pilot for solo.
Cherokee 152 Delta Charlie, Republic, touch and goes on request. Understand student solo. Runway 32, taxi via Golf Delta.
Golf Delta to runway 32.
Midday.
152 Delta Charlie.
Julie Sierra, Republic clearance, clear to Boca Raton, Farmingdale 4 departure, radar vectors, Squeezy, then as filed. Maintain 3000, expect flight level 400, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 125.7, squawk 1624. Clear 4 Julie Sierra, read back correct.
Republic Ground, final say 62, clear of 32, Alpha 4, ready taxi back to Echo.
Hold for the Luscombe, then continue to Echo via Alpha cross runway 1.
It's coming in a little broken up. Could you repeat for 62?
662, hold for the Luscombe, then continue to Echo via Alpha cross runway 1.
I hold for that traffic and then continue to Echo via Alpha cross runway 1, final state 62.
Warrior Republic Ground, Cherokee 5560 Whiskey, Atlantic taxi with Romeo Northeast departure.
Cherokee 5560 Whiskey Republic, runway 32, cross runway 1 at the approach and Golf Alpha Northeast on request.
Approach and runway 1, Golf and Alpha for runway 32 Northeast on request. Cherokee 5560 Whiskey.
Republic Ground, this Skyhawk 9563 Alpha on vehicle ramp, requesting taxi to be active for touch and go with information Romeo.
This is 9563 Alpha Republic, touch and go on request, runway 32, hold short of Alpha.
Runway 32, hold short of Alpha.
Republic Ground, options 910, shelter, taxi, Romeo.
Options 910 Republic, runway 32, taxi via Golf Delta, do you have Romeo?
With Romeo, and the Golf Delta to tree 2, options 910.
System 63 Alpha, hold for Cherokee traffic on Alpha, then runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Fine, traffic, we'll taxi by Alpha.
Right, picking up here on the wind, so few 30 seconds or so, we have to slow the aircraft down and brakes and let it accelerate with the wind pushing. Till you get to a speed that's fast enough where you slow down again. There you go. Now it's a little bit too fast for a little light tail drag. So we're going to actually
910
put the brakes again to slow the aircraft down a little bit.
Get down to
And then just
Optus 910 affirmative. Golf 5, back taxi, runway 1, Delta.
Golf 5, back taxi 1 for Delta options, 910, thanks.
Winds are from the northwest, and we're going to turn the aircraft right into the wind. You can see those little flags here. Kind of a westerly wind, northwest westerly wind. So we're going to point the nose of the aircraft right into the wind. You can look at the windsock right there. It's about perfect heading.
4 Republic clearance.
I'm going to run up the engine. Turn to slip was tested okay, kilometer was good, compass was swinging freely. Bottom check brakes are set, fuel selector is on.
Quickjet 524, you're clear to the Tango India Sierra Tango Airport. Farmingdale 4 departure, radar vectors, ship, Lind, squad, Dara, Lima 459, Oscar Delta Uniform Charlie Alpha.
Trim set for takeoff.
Lima
Flight controls.
460.
Check. We're going to do another
Sierra
cross
Tango
check.
Tango direct destination airport.
Sure everything's good.
Maintain 3,000.
Flight controls are checked, instruments are checked, primers in and launch.
10 minutes after
1950,
departure.
1500 RPM.
Departure frequency 125.7. Squawk 1614.
Max check. Drop one down, check for drop. Looking good. Drop the other one down, check for drop. Looking good. Engine instruments. Everything's good. Carburetor heat test.
Lima 450. Fuduka. Lima
There's your drop. Idle check low.
Sierra Tango Tango.
Carburetor heat test is on. Pre-takeoff fuel selector is on. Carburetor heat is on. Doors and windows are closed. Transponder is on.
524, read back correct.
Wind direction, we said straight down the runway, about 320 or so now with a windsock. Time, 9:12 in the morning on this Saturday. Brake release and abort plan ready. In case we have an engine failure and we're still on the runway, we're going to stop straight ahead and investigate. Engine failure. After liftoff with sufficient runway remaining for normal landing. Well, land straight ahead, maintain safe airspeed, and land on the remaining runway. Engine failure after liftoff. Take off with insufficient runway remaining for normal landing. Shallow turns to avoid obstacle, maintain safe airspeed, land straight ahead, find an open spot, put it in there. Anywhere with sufficient altitude to maintain a turn, we may consider turning back to Rosier Field. The abort plan is ready. Take off. Stop on the runway. Carburetor heat on. Check the windsock. Heading check. Throttle 1950 minimum. Oil pressure check. Controls forward. Tail coming up. Ease back on the control. Direction control. Rotate at 60 miles an hour. VY 72. Safe altitude. Carburetor heat's gonna come off.
Deco amp with Romeo. We'd like to taxi to runway 32 and request whether we want to go eastbound departure.
And Cessna 21394 eastbound on request, runway 32.
Three Delta, you're going to follow Cherokee traffic. He's on a 3 mile final, number 2.
Thank you for traffic, 3 Delta.
Options line 10, runway 32, line up and wait, please.
Line up and wait 32, options 910.
Target 4 Hotel Charlie, see you just south of Belmont Lake, you clear to land, Golf 6.
Embraer Legacy.
Options line 10, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go, options 910.
Public Tower, Thomas 822 is midfield downwind.
Mooney 83 Delta, following the Cherokee, just pass up your left, number 2, clear touch and go.
Alright, looks like a jet taking off in front of us. We're gonna chill out here and let that
On base, 83 Delta.
This is 0 Juliet Alpha, following the Mooney
Dissipate.
traffic ahead, you number 3, clear touch and go.
Number 3 and looking for traffic, 130 Juliet Alpha.
maybe
Stay 22, you saw the Cessna in sight.
one airplane landing or even a couple of them landing, and then we can
I'll say 22.
have it ready for takeoff.
Stay 22, thank you. Following that Cessna, number 4, clear to land.
Number 4, clear to land. I'll say 22. Tower 152 Delta Charlie is left downwind from runway 32.
150, so continue down, number 5.
Number 5, runway 32, 52 Delta Charlie.
Options 910, contact departure 25.7, have a good flight.
Over to departure, options 910. Take care.
4 Hotel Charlie 1 out.
4 Hotel Charlie, clear to land, Golf 6.
Golf 6, thank you.
Luscombe 77972, 927, hold short. So 0 Juliet Alpha, you have the Mooney off your right, off your left, I mean.
Traffic in sight for 0 Juliet Alpha. And Tower 74 Golf's coming up on a 5 mile, straight in for 32.
74 Golf, project continuing, man.
74 Golf, Roger.
Farmingdale State 22, changing plans, continue down, you're going to follow Cessna traffic just south of the inner shoreline, you're number 4.
Follow Cessna on the inner shoreline, Farmingdale State 22.
So 74 Golf, you're following Cessna traffic in a left base turn to a 3-mile final, a mile and a half ahead.
74 Golf, with that traffic.
He's at your 11 o'clock and a mile and a half. He's at 1,100.
74 Golf, for looking. I don't know if 22 has the traffic on the inner shoreline.
I'll say 22, thank you. Now number 5, clear to land.
Number 5, clear to land, I'll say 22.
Cherokee 85 Bravo, ground point 6, good day.
Ground point 6, good day, thank you. And 74 Golf had that traffic.
74 Golf, thank you. Number 3, following that Cessna, clear to land.
74 Golf, number 3, clear to land.
Cherokee 2 Delta Charlie, following the Cherokee ahead, you number 5, clear, touch and go.
Following the traffic, clear number 5, for touch and go. 152 Delta Charlie. Republic Tower, this Cherokee 149 Romeo, Northwest status, request landing with Romeo.
Cherokee 149 Romeo, Republic Tower, 4 right down, runway 32.
Full report right downwind for 32, 149 Romeo. Republic Tower says 820 Juliet Alpha, I'm at the Northport stacks inbound with Romeo.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, Republic Tower, 4 right down, runway 32.
Right downwind for runway 32, says 820 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna here coming in for landing. Looks like another one behind him, and maybe more. Let's see. Yeah, I guess another one. There's actually 3-1 after another lineup.
So 74 Golf going where?
Back to Echo.
Exit at Alpha 4, please. Ground point 6. Have a good day.
74 Golf, thanks for that. Republic Tower, Cessna 62457 is number 1 on the east side for standard departure.
Cessna 62457, Republic Tower, hold short, landing traffic.
457, holding short.
And 525 to me, Yankees ready to go runway 1.
Citation 525, Yankee, Republic Tower, hold short.
Holding short.
Republic Tower, Mooney 578 Delta, requesting a left downwind departure to the south.
Who's requesting a left downwind?
5783 Delta.
783 Delta, left, you're in the left downwind now, it's approved.
Good day, 83 Delta.
And looks like another one.
Real State 22, exit at Alpha 4, please. Ground point 6, have a good day.
Roger that, Alpha 4, on the State 22.
Republic Tower, Cessna 1300 Alpha, left downwind for 22, and requesting full stop.
Cessna 1300 Alpha, continue downwind.
Continuing downwind, 1300 Alpha.
Looks like it's time. Let's see, what else is out there? Nothing.
Alpha.
Luscombe 77927, runway 32, clear for takeoff. Left traffic.
Republic Tower, Cherokee 5560 Whiskey, runway 32. Request right on departure.
Cherokee 5560 Whiskey, Republic Tower, hold short.
Hold short, runway 32. Cherokee 5560 Whiskey.
Tower 526, Echo Romeo, capture Romeo, full stop.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, right downwind for runway 32.
Luscombe 7927 Fox is just crossed the runway in front of you.
Tower Cessna 526, Echo Romeo, capture with Romeo, full stop.
I bet that thing caught on the camera.
Republic Tower,
but it was way down the runway. No problem at all.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, just start your base turn.
Starting my base, here, Juliet Alpha.
Tower 152 Delta Charlie is left downwind, runway 32.
Cherokee 152 Delta Charlie, continue downwind.
Continue downwind, 52 Delta Charlie.
Republic Tower, Cessna 526 Echo Romeo.
6 Echo Romeo, standby. Citation 525 November Yankee, runway 1. Cleared for takeoff.
Runway 1 clear for takeoff, 525 November Yankee 3.
Beautiful, look at all these trees, nice.
Left traffic, please.
Five and one, tell me well. Republic Tower, Cherokee 149 Romeo entering right downwind for 32.
Republic Tower, we're on base for runway 32, 2.5 mile final.
And who's that?
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Says 820 Juliet Alpha, you shouldn't be on base until I tell you who you're following. You're turning into traffic right now on final.
Oops, that will get you in trouble.
I did not tell 820 Juliet Alpha to turn base at all. I said 0 Juliet Alpha, 130 Juliet Alpha. You gotta listen up to the call sign.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Says 0
You
Juliet
don't
Alpha.
want to get that control upset.
Rejoin final.
Oh boy. Better be quiet, buddy. Just do what he says.
Republic Tower, Sirius 148 Charlie Zulu, 3 miles from Alpha.
52 November Yankee, contact departure. Have a good flight.
Good luck, 5 and 1.
Thanks. 927, continue downwind. Turkey 49 Romeo, continue into downwind.
Continue downwind, 49 Romeo. Republic Tower, Sirius 161 Delta Kilo 2, northward with information Romeo inbound for landing.
Cessna 6 Echo Romeo, we say your altitude, please.
2,400.
All right, you have traffic Sirius just passing off your right. Turn base to follow him.
Yeah, I got him in.
Busy.
Following him, 6 Echo Romeo. Republic Tower, Sirius 148 Charlie Zulu is 1 mile from Alpha.
Sirius 148 Charlie Zulu, roger, continue inbound.
Continuing, 148 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna 0 Juliet Alpha, I see you're in the left downwind now. Turn your base, left base now. Turn left base now.
Turning left base, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 130 Juliet Alpha, you are cleared to land.
Clear to land, 130 Juliet Alpha, thank you.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, number 2, cleared to land.
Republic Tower, Sirius 161 Delta Kilo, 10 miles northeast with information Romeo inbound for landing.
Cherokee 2 Delta Charlie, do you see the Cessna up your left side? You can turn base, follow him.
Have the traffic, follow him, 52 Delta Charlie.
Cherokee 49 Romeo, just continue downwind, number 5.
Roger, 149 Romeo.
Luscombe 927, continue downwind, number 6.
Continue downwind, we are number 6.
Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, you're cleared to land.
Alright.
820 Juliet Alpha.
That's
48
too
Charlie
bad.
Zulu, you're number 3. You're following Cessna traffic a mile and a half ahead, clear to land.
Not a bad deal going out there on a nice Saturday morning.
Cessna 526 Echo Romeo, number 4, following the Sirius, clear to land.
Number 4 behind us here, clear to land.
Cruising the skies. Watching the sun shine over the water.
Tower, Sirius 161 Delta Kilo 8 to the northeast.
Looking outside for other traffic. The bees and the
Sirius
beehive.
161 Delta Kilo, report to right down, only 32.
Right down
Number 6. Now guess where is number 5? Number 5, where are you, number 5? Nowhere to be found.
130 Juliet Alpha, thank you, ground point 6, have a good day.
Number 5, where are you?
130 Juliet Alpha.
Probably on the right downwind, we're on the left downwind.
Cherokee 49 Romeo, you should see Cherokee traffic on final over the inner shoreline. You're number 4 now.
Okay, number 4, looking for the traffic, 49 Romeo. Wind check.
Wind 290 at Niner.
I would say this controller is doing a fine job this morning.
Cherokee 49 Romeo, thank you. Follow that Cherokee over the shoreline, you're number 5.
We'll call ahead number 5, 119 Romeo.
Beautiful, beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. Da 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 da. It's a beautiful morning.
That's an 820.
Dutch rolling. It's a beautiful morning.
Please, ground point 6. Have a good day.
That's an Alpha 5 over the ground.
It's a beautiful morning. For Dutch rolling. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. A minimum control over airspeed. Who said you can't do maneuvers on the downwind? What downwind?
Well, let's go 927. You can start your base turn. Right now, if I'm going to keep everybody in the pattern, I'm going to have to go outside the class delta. If not, I can end all touch and goes and slap it goes. Hey, Charlie Zulu, going where?
I'm going to Nassau Flyers, exit Delta 2.
Delta 2, follow the Cessna.
Follow the Cessna, Charlie Zulu.
Alright. Getting the base leg outside of class delta. First time ever.
Clear touch and go, 5 Delta Charlie.
Technically, I don't think they can control traffic outside of their airspace, but here in Republic, they do it. I wonder what the feds will say about that. Sir, I'm outside of Class Delta. You cannot tell me what to do now. That was just a joke. It's all good. It's a beautiful morning.
So 6 Echo Romeo, Delta 2.
To be out there flying.
Can I get Alpha 4?
Oh, Alpha 4 is fine.
Alpha 4 it is.
Alright, we're so far out we're going to stay at traffic pattern altitude now because there's no point starting to come down because, as you can see,
61 Delta Kilo,
we're about 6 miles out. Outside of Class Delta now on the base. So,
Cherokee 49 Romeo, clear to land.
we're going to wait for about 3 miles.
Luscombe 927, number 3, clear to land. Cherokee 60 Whiskey, line up and wait.
Cherokee 60 Whiskey, line up and wait, runway 32.
We better keep the speed up and cut it tight because we're number 3 and we're way out.
Cherokee 60 Whiskey, cleared for takeoff, right down and approved.
They'll take off right now, wind 32, 60 Whiskey.
It's a beautiful morning.
Republic Tower, Skyhawk 9563 Alpha, holding short on.
Flying a little tiny tail dragger around. It's a beautiful morning.
This is 9560 Alpha, folks, how would you hold short?
Holding short, 9563 Alpha.
Okay, looks like just about 3 mile final now. We got 2 reds, 2 whites. We gotta keep that stabilized approach all the way down to the runway.
956. Republic Tower, 21394, holding short 32 at Alpha, ready for departure.
21394, hold short.
Hold short 32, 21394.
Cirrus 1 Delta Kilo, following a Luscombe on a 2.5 mile final. That's your 2 o'clock to 1:30 in a mile.
Okay, we've got the traffic and we'll follow him.
Alright, somebody's too tight. He's 1 mile ahead. Let's see where this guy is. There he is, right there. He's cutting us off. Okay, right up to the right of us. Okay, you see me, buddy? Keep extending it. All right, good job.
Downwind number 4.
Continue downwind number 4, 5 Delta Charlie.
I just gotta keep the speed up just in case this guy is doing 150.
So it's a 62457 Republic Tower, runway 32, line up and wait.
457, line up and wait, 32.
457's lining up and waiting. That means we're gonna have to slow down a little bit to give him some room. Number 1 just touched down. We're number 2, departure right in between us.
Romeo, exit Alpha 5, please, on the Delta side, ready for takeoff.
3049 Romeo, to exit at Alpha 5, please, ground point 6, have a good day.
Wilco, that's me help, 49 Romeo.
Alright, you can see how the pitch change as we're slowing down. Pitch is increasing.
457, clear to takeoff.
457's rolling.
Sirius 1 Delta Kilo, keep the Luscombe in sight. We'll slow it up, you clear to land.
Clear to land, we have the Luscombe in sight.
And who said the number 1 on Delta?
Yes, it's 16237.
Oh boy!
Delta ready for takeoff.
Oh boy, look at that beehive! Look at all these tiny little bees trying to get out of the airport. Look at all that! Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright. We got 1 on the east side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9? Oh boy. Let's take a picture. Come on, guys.
Cherokee, 2 Double Charlie, start your base.
You're too late, guys. You missed the boat. You're gonna have to wait here for a while. Okay.
Alpha reporting left downwind to runway 32.
563 Alpha, continue downwind.
Continue downwind, 9563 Alpha.
Luscombe 927, Alpha 4 please, and we follow that Cessna that's making a turn on Alpha back to the runway if you're going back. Alright, ground point 6, have a good one. Cessna 21394, position on line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 21394.
Alright, clear the runway. At the landing checklist. Monitor ground.
Republic ground.
Cover the heat is off. Tram is set for takeoff.
Alpha.
Transpond is off.
Taxi to Echo ramp.
Matter of fact, we gotta keep it on because of a new rule.
Commander 1337 Juliet Republic, taxi via Delta, hold short of runway 32 on
Checklist
golf.
is complete.
Luscombe 77927 Republic, taxi to Echo via Alpha Cross runway 1. Commander 37 Juliet, did you copy?
Negative copy on the 1337 Juliet.
Commander 1337 Juliet, just verify you are at the Alpha ramp, then you want to go to Echo ramp.
From 1337 Juliet.
Commander 37 Juliet, roger. Exit the Alpha ramp, turn right on Delta, turn left on Golf, hold short of runway 32.
Right on Delta, left on Golf, hold short of runway 32, 1337 Juliet.
Sirius 161 Delta Kilo Republic ground, taxi to Nassau Flyers, Delta Golf.
Delta Golf to NASA Flyers, 1 Delta Kilo.
It's a beautiful morning. Take a fly around. Hey buddy, where you going? Oops.
Town Flight 31, Republic clearance, clear to White Plains.
Too much traffic
After
all over
departing
the place.
runway 32, turn right heading 010. Radar vectors, Deer Park, Bridgeport 288 radial, Rhymes intersection, direct. Maintain 3000, departure frequency 125.7, squawk 4245. Sound Flight 31, read back correct.
Before the Modus, Sirius 415, Kilo with Romeo, IFR to Hanover, Virginia, Oscar Fox.
Okay, shut down and securing all electricals coming on.
What's airport to Oscar?
Tags are off, fuel selector is off. Comms and tech time, record, call for
Roger,
tech.
flying to Fox.
Okay, that calls only.
Ground 152 Delta Charlie at Delta 2 off runway 32, request taxi NASA Flyers.
Cherokee 152 Delta Charlie Republic, taxi NASA Flyers, Delta Golf.
Delta Golf to NASA Flyers, thank you. 152 Delta Charlie.
Yes, Shelter, good morning. November 77927 and Echo Ramp. Looking for a top off on spot 19, 19er. No immediate, but whenever you guys get a chance to hear an Echo Ramp, I'll appreciate a top off.
Short of runway 1 on Alpha.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot, sir.
Golf Horseshoe runway 1337 Juliet.
Commander, sir.
Okay, top off has been